Ever pondered the importance of a good receipt note in the realm of business? Curious about how it functions as a vital cog in the grand machinery of supply chain management? Well, today we're diving into the world of goods receipt notes, or GRNs, and exploring their significance in business operations. A goods receipt note is essentially a document utilized by businesses to confirm the receipt of goods ordered from suppliers. It serves as an undeniable proof of delivery and plays a crucial role in verifying both the quantity and quality of goods received. This makes it an indispensable tool for companies to maintain accurate inventory records and streamline their procurement process. Now, let's break down the process of creating a goods receipt note. Firstly, the creation of a GRN begins with a purchase order reference. This is the original document that specifies the type, quantity, and agreed price for products or services. It's the foundation upon which the GRN is built. The second step involves the actual receiving of goods. Upon arrival, the goods are inspected for any visible damage and then counted to ensure the quantities match the purchase order. Next comes the recording of details. This involves documenting pertinent information such as the date of delivery, description of the goods, quantity received, and any discrepancies noted. Following this, the GRN must be verified and approved. This is usually done by a manager or supervisor who cross-checks the GRN details with the original purchase order and the goods received. Once approved, the GRN is then recorded in the inventory system. This step is crucial as it updates the inventory records and triggers the payment process for the supplier. Handling discrepancies is another important step. If there are any differences between the ordered and received goods, they must be addressed immediately. This could involve contacting the supplier or adjusting the inventory records. Last but not least, the GRN is filed and documented for future reference. This helps maintain a paper trail and assists in any future audits or reconciliations. In a nutshell, a goods receipt note is a critical document that provides proof of delivery and aids in verifying the quantity and quality of goods received. It's created through a meticulous process that begins with a purchase order reference and concludes with the filing and documentation of the GRN. This process ensures accuracy in inventory records and smoothens the procurement process. So the next time you receive a shipment, remember the importance of the humble GRN and the intricate process behind its creation. It's just another way businesses ensure operations run like a well-oiled machine.